When thinking about a new tractor, most farmers consider its power. This is obviously an important issue in the context of the area owned and the type of soil where the cultivation is conducted. However, an equally important matter is the compatibility of the tractor with the agricultural machine. Depending on the purpose and chosen production process, we will want to attach different devices to the tractor, so it's worth knowing the variants of coupling machines with the tractor. Three-point linkage system. Due to the fact that suspended machines do not have their own wheels, the entire weight is taken over by the tractor and requires coupling through the three-point linkage system. It consists of two lower links and an upper link. Modern three-point linkages are equipped with hook ends, which connect with special ball joints mounted on the machine's pins. This makes the coupling process faster, easier, and safer. The main advantage of the three-point hitch is its high stability. It enables both transverse and longitudinal leveling of the tool and adjustment of its working depth. This is managed by the hydraulic part consisting of a hydraulic cylinder connected to the three-point hitch arms, a pump, and a distributor. Today's three-point linkages are equipped with electronic systems which allow adjusting the machine's position with a button panel instead of levelers on the distributor. The panel is located in the cabin and possibly outside, for example on the rear part of the fender. Standardization of the three-point hitch system. As the popularity of the three-point hitches increased, so did their variety in terms of size and permissible load. There were instances where, even though the three-point hitch allowed for mounting a given machine, the tractor turned out to be too weak. Currently, the dimensions and requirements for mounting tools and equipment on the rear of a tractor are described by the PN ISO 730 standard. A tool working with a tractor should have a hitch compatible with the hitch of the tractor used on the farm. There are four categories describing the rear hitch of a tractor based on its power. Category 1. Hitches are installed in tractors with power up to 48 HP. Category 2. Up to 120 HP. Category 3. Up to 240 HP. And 4. Up to 450 HP. Other variants of coupling semi-mounted machines. Semi-mounted and towed machines have their own running gear, so the vertical forces resulting from their weight are only partially transferred to the tractor. Semi-mounted devices can be aggregated using the lower links or the three-point hitch, but towed machines cannot. For this reason, both types are mounted using different types of hitches. We can distinguish several types. The most popular are drawbar eye and ball hitch, which are most often mounted as an option in Rolmako's agricultural machines. Manual or automatic hitch and eye-type drawbar. A machine with a 40mm eye drawbar is coupled to the tractor with a 32mm pin. This is the simplest and cheapest hitch system. Unfortunately, it is also the least convenient. There are large clearances due to the necessary tilt when driving over obstacles or elevations. This causes characteristic jerking, which affects the faster wear of the hitch. Automatic hitches have much less play thanks to the use of a 38mm diameter pin. They do not require operator action, because the pin is released when the drawbar hits the latch. In this case, a 48mm diameter pin fits into a drawbar eye with an inner diameter of 50mm. Ball hitch and drawbar end. As the name suggests, this pin ends in a ball that attaches to the end of a drawbar with an appropriate shape. The whole thing is clamped from above. This combination has no play, which translates to greater durability, while allowing tilt of up to 30%. The most popular system at the moment is the K80 Hitch, but various sizes are available on the market, designed for drawbars with different vertical load capacities and different total masses of the aggregated machine. Currently, rails are equipped with sliding and adaptive plates to which the hitch end is bolted. This allows for installation of components from different manufacturers, and additionally, only the end wears out, not the entire hitch. The rule of stability of the aggregate, in other words, the weighting of the front axle of the tractor engaging a multi-ton agricultural machine with a tractor, causes the front wheels to lose grip on the ground. This reduces tractive force, but most importantly, it makes the tractor brake differently and handle poorly. For this reason, the front should be weighted by adding additional ballast or a front-mounted machine. Rolmako offers a wide range of soil cultivation machines that are aggregated on the front lift of the tractor. One of the best ways to weight the front axle is the front 3-point hitch. Unlike factory ballasts, it allows for quick mounting and dismounting of weights and adjusting its mass to the suspended machine at the rear. Additionally, it should be remembered that the front 3-point hitch primarily increases work efficiency, as it allows for expanding the tillage kit and reducing the number of field passes. Lastly, it is worth noting that not only the rear 3-point hitch has been standardized. All elements used to couple machines with the tractor have their parameters and standards. For example, the front 3-point hitch is described by DIN ISO 87592. For this reason, if additional purchases or replacement of worn-out equipment are planned, it is worth considering not only the type of work to be performed, but also learning about ways of aggregating agricultural machines and following ISO standards specified in the manuals. Rolmako is not standing still. We are dynamically moving towards a better future by realizing the concepts of sustainable agriculture. We are constantly looking for new technologies, materials, and innovations that will make our machines meet the expectations of farmers and the land. Get to know us better by visiting catalog.rolmako.com and see our machines for no-plow and ultra-shallow cultivation. Rolmako's passion for improving agricultural equipment comes from a deep understanding of farmers' needs around the world. With the tillage machine we offer, we aim not only to ease work, but also to support the sustainable development of agriculture.